Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. I feel like doing my hair today. Today's the day. I want to blow it out, but I have a new blowout thingy. I have a new blowout tool, whatever. Anyway, I went ahead and purchased the Amika round brush dryer. I've never used a round brush before, but I feel like I would really enjoy it. So let me give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. The teeth have like little bristles in them, so just giving y'all a nice close-up. It is more of an oval shaped. It's not like completely round. I like it. I love the color. It looks aesthetically pleasing, but does it work? Who knows? And as far as the controls, everything is at the bottom, so you really just twist this thing to switch it up. Super simple. So let me plug this in. I want to let y'all know that I already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and added a treatment. The treatments that I used were by Diva Curl, actually. They have a whole like bonding line, and I'll go ahead and put it on the screen right now as I'm talking. I really did like those products. No shade on tea. I know y'all don't like Diva Curl right now. I get it. However, it really worked for my hair and I like it. So that's what I used. So let me plug this in so we can get right into it, because I want to go ahead and blow dry. I have my hair in 4 braids, and they've been in these 4 braids all day. I also want to use my K18 and my Olaplex bonding oil as well. Y'all know when you got color treated hair, listen, you gotta get it in. These are basically for treatments, as far as like keeping my hair strong and healthy through all of what I'm about to take it through. Basically, that's what this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do 1 pump of this, and then we're gonna go in with that round brush, because I want to see. They trying to act like it's just revolutionary, and I just don't think that. I just don't. And I also want to clip my ends, because it's time. It's time to clip these ends, y'all. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go in, like I said, with 1 pump of the K18. We're gonna use the Flawless Smoothing Blow Dry Cream. It's a white cream, as you can see. I just feel like this gives a lot of protection. I don't know, I feel like a cream gives more of a protection than like a spray. So we're just gonna add that. Honestly, I don't even know when I wanna add this bonding oil. Maybe we're not gonna add it, I don't know. I'm gonna wait on that, because I don't like to put oils before I dry my hair. I don't know, it's something about it, I just don't. So let's see. This is a first time review, friends, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't even know if I'm gonna like this dryer. So I guess the first setting is the air setting, and then there's 2 heat settings. There's like 1 wave and 2 waves. We're gonna start off with the 1 wave, the first one. It's not that loud. Ooh, it's loud when you go a little bit higher. Let me brush this out first. I wish it was a little bit more wet, y'all, but I had other things to do today, so it's not as wet, but it'll be all right. I may have to wet my hair just a little bit, but we're gonna see how this works first. So let's turn it on. All right, and I'm just gonna round brush it out, I guess. This is so weird. I think this works best if you go like slow. But we're gonna see. This isn't that hot. Like, I can keep my hand right here on the first level. Because the girls were acting like they usually about to get some straight hair from this round brush. But I guess you're supposed to go around like that, put some tension on it. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, wait. Check me out. Okay. Okay, but how we gonna get the roots though? Ain't all fine and dandy before we get, okay, maybe go in like that. Go down. This feels like a lot of heat to like not get it super straight, you know? I don't know. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna use it all over my head. I'm not gonna switch to my other one. But let's, ooh, wait a minute. Let's take it up though, because this is the first level. Let's take it up. Okay. So I want to focus more on my roots first because of course the blonde, it's definitely getting straight. That's kind of cool. It's not like getting silky straight. Y'all know I got tight for hair, okay? This stuff ain't like, it ain't gonna get my silky. But I'm just trying to see though, it is kind of straight, dude. I think it is straighter than my dryer. Let me just take it at the roots one more time. Y'all, I will say my hair doesn't feel like as fried as it does when you like really drying your hair. It feels very smooth. I don't know if it's the products I just put on here, but it feels really nice. We're not straightening our hair or anything, but let's keep going. I want to see what they gonna look like. I just blew out all of my hair and this is what it's looking like. I like it. I do like it. Do I feel like it gets my hair like super straight? No. This was $100 just so you guys know. I do think if I use smaller sections and really give it more tension though, I feel like I can get it really, really straight, but it'll have to be way smaller sections. And I wasn't trying to do that because we're not trying to straighten our hair today. We're just really trying to have it like, you know, blown out enough to trim it. Actually, I don't think I need a super trim or anything, but I do want to do like a little bit, so Lego. So when I'm doing my trims, I don't do too much. I already cut that, put it in half as y'all can see, and just work my way up from the bottom, just cutting. And normally I use a rat tail comb, but I really don't feel like going to get it. This has enough teeth on it to be okay, so I'm like, whatever. So then I just brush it out all the way down. There will be some pieces that fall out, but get all the way down as far as you can, pulling that so you can look at your ends and just dust those ends. Perfect. That's how I do it. I don't like straggly ends, so I do this a lot, you know. I just start doing it whenever I felt like I knew how to, like, knew what I was doing, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna do it by myself. But it took me a little minute to get to the point where I felt comfortable doing this myself, but I feel comfortable. And plus, it's not gonna really have much of a difference, y'all. Like, you're not gonna really see it. So just go and cut it yourself, friend. Save your coins. I'm not saying you should never let a professional cut, because you should. But not always. I went to sleep with these little buns in my hair. I just wrapped it up and like put one of these little clips in, these little silver clips, just to get it out my way. And then I had my bonnet on. Just took one of them down and it's giving this nice look. I just wanted to show this to y'all. Like I'm probably gonna rock it like this today just because I like big hair. But I am gonna be doing some flexi rods. We're gonna be using the green ones a little bit later. I think I wanna use a foam. So I'm gonna decide which one I want to use, but I wanted to take this one down so y'all can see. Ooh-wee. That's a nice blow dry, honey. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Y'all, I'm loving my hair. If I'm being honest, this color is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like he did an amazing job. I can't wait to see how it looks with these flexi rods because I feel like I haven't even done flexi rods on this. I think I did perm rods, but not flexi rods. I can't remember if I did. So I'm excited because y'all know I love me some fleece. But they look cute. I'm feeling myself. Okay. It is time now. I just decided that I am gonna go ahead and do my hair. So let's do it. I have this headband on. This headband is actually a black on headband, but I like them because they're really good for working out. Absorbs that sweat, you know? Oh, I'll try to link it below for ya. I'm gonna be using the Nairobi Rapid Foam. And yes, I have my AirPod going because I need a little music. And they be tripping, they be trying to, you know, copyright claim me and I ain't got time for that. We gotta get a rhythm to get this hair done, y'all, I'm just saying. So yeah, I'm gonna be using Nairobi. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. But let me go ahead and part it off. I'm gonna start from the back. You guys know how this go and we're gonna work our way up. I have a rat tail comb and my Felicia Leatherwood is somewhere, but I also have the same wet line brush. So yeah, let's just get started. I feel like I'm about to run out because this is all I got left. This better be perfect, honey. It better be perfect now because I ain't got no more of these colors. I like this one. I need some more of the green ones. I really don't want to continue. I really don't, but I am. I'm gonna continue. Yes, I am. All right, so let me walk you through it because we did one side. I do the same tutorial every time. Like I know y'all tired of it. That's why I don't even be doing hair tutorial that much no more. Cause like, Fren, ooh, it's so dry. Because like, it's the same thing over and over. But I guess you want to see me do it over. And that's all right, I reckon. So let's get some foam. I'm gonna do 2 pumps because it's a little dry back here. Which I gotta work quickly because you don't want it to revert. All right, smooth it out. Rat tail comb. Need a little more foam. Take it. I knew that was gonna fall out. You're trashy. You gotta wrap the bottom first, friend. Wrap that bottom, get that bottom secure. I mean secure. Pull. And then I like to cross over that to really secure that in. And then roll up. I always know these little hairs gonna fall out. Then wrap that around like that right on. And then tuck that thing in now. Then once you get to the root, make sure you really get in there to the root, y'all. And bend it that way to secure it. So that it tightens your root. Sometimes I like to give it a nice twist underneath to really snag it in. And boom. You can bend the bottom, but the longer your hair, it's best to start at the bottom. So then it's like, you can bend it if you want, but that one ain't gonna bother me. I'll probably bend it in a little bit like that, but that's about it. Moving on. This is with all the rollers in, and I actually had 2 left. I just be putting them in however, okay? And we fix it later. But as long as you got those ends right, friend, that's really the goal here, okay? Just make sure those ends really be tight and smooth. And I'm about to sit under the dryer because I need this to dry quickly because we are doing before and afters for TikTok. So I sat under the dryer for just 1 hour because I feel like it's dry. I don't know, I'm like, you know what? I feel like it's enough. It wasn't even like stupid wet, so we should be dry. And we are. Good call for me. All right, y'all, just gonna take these out. I'm excited. That didn't take long at all. I am back and I did my makeup. I took the rollers out as y'all saw. I haven't separated them, but now I guess I've smushed that one. We're gonna try to make it do what it do, baby. So now I'm gonna separate everything. I have the Olaplex oil. I'm just gonna use this just because it's sitting right here. Yeah. Put it in my hands. Go stupid, go crazy. The smaller you make them, the bigger your hair is gonna be. So it's up to you. All right, you guys, my hair is separated. Time to pick it out. It looks so good. I love it. All right, I kind of want to keep that center part. Y'all see the super light color? That's where the light pieces are. Baby! I don't mean to toot my own horn, but toot. I mean, these girls looking chef's kiss. Wow, look. Woo, I just love that motor. Yes, it's going all in my eyes, not even gonna lie. There's a lot of hair. It's just like throwing it in my eyes. I love how it looks. Oh my God, the color. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, I need to go play and I need to go finish my TikToks and all that good stuff. Let me show you the back. You like it? I hope you like it. I hope it looked good for you. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.